I'm Mark Bayley, Head of Development here at The Genealogist. In this short video, I'm going to show you how the Genealogist's smart search technology can help you jump from one record to another. In our first example, I'll find the birth record of actor Sir Ian McKellen to see what details smart search can discover. I'll start by entering Sir Ian's name and year of birth, as we can always add keywords such as place or mother's maiden name later if we need to refine the results. Now we've found the birth record, we can click to view more details. On the record page, you'll notice a few buttons at the bottom. The first is to view the original image, and the next two are smart search links. The icon of a person holding a baby is the birth smart search link. This will find any siblings, as we can see here with Ian's sister Jean being displayed. The icon of a married couple jumps to the parents' marriage record, helping you to trace back a further generation, as we can see here with Sir Ian's parents Dennis and Marjorie. From a death record, you can find a person's birth, and from a marriage record you can find any children born to that couple. Another way Smart Search works is by linking the census records and the 1939 register to records of birth, marriage and death. Let's try this by finding Dame Vera Lynn in the 1939 register. Although her stage name was Lynn, her surname was actually Welch. She was born in 1917 in Essex, so entering these details helps to refine the results. On the record you can see Dame Vera's parents, Bertram and Annie, and we can see Smart Search links again to find the various birth, marriage and death records. Let's click to view the marriage record for Bertram and Annie. And here we can see the top result is Vera's parents' marriage in 1913. Ordering this marriage certificate can then bring you back another generation, as it would list the fathers of Bertram and Annie. Smart Search is one of the many powerful search tools on The Genealogist. Visit thegenealogist.co.uk/videos to find out about the others.